Hey.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hi, Keno.
Hello.
Hello. Pretty boy?
Hello.
Peekaboo. Yes, peekaboo. You like that? Peekaboo. Look. See that?
Come here.
No, they can't come here. That's the viewing audience. They're on. No. You kisses? Yes. We don't need a clicker, do we? No, it just takes time. I got a few years. Decade or two? Yes.
Oh, pretty.
Hey, pretty. Let's see if we can't get you more clickers. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Keno Show. I will get off the screen. Okay. So this is Keno. He's our green-winged macaw. He is, if I am not mistaken, 10 years old. Raised by hand from the egg and quite full of neurotic tendencies. And gas.
Peekaboo.
And he loves that word. We're trying to teach him some more words. I don't know if gnat is one of them. I'll look on the list. I feel sorry for him sometimes because we also have 3 cats and a dog. But, yeah, I don't like him either sometimes. But you're a jerk as well. He kisses. Yes. One thing I have actually never considered in my few years on this earth, 40 some odd plus, is that birds actually have a smell. They do. It's a bird smell, and they can't help it. It's like a cat smell or a dog smell. I never thought about that. Oh. Say, I will eat you. It's your flesh. Give me your flesh. Oh. Look at that. Who's that parrot? Ian. Oh, forgot the reverse. Who's that parrot? Obviously, this is not scripted. This is just Keno the parrot. I couldn't have put it better myself, buddy. I couldn't have put it better myself.